Hi guys, how to use Twitter more effectively and gain more followers. I will teach you some basic concepts of Twitter. Twitter is a little bit difficult for new users in compared to Facebook. So a lot of people come on Twitter and they don't find it interesting, and but it's because they don't know how to use it. Once they will know, and you will be become addictive, and you will like more than Facebook, Twitter. So first thing is you must set up your profile. When you make profile, going setting, remember must put your real photo, real name, and because it's very important. You if you want to represent your views and you want to make become famous, so you should use your real name, your photo. If you use fakes, no one in your circle, your friend, your nearby don't know who is this, and no one will follow you. No will think that you are a real person. So there is a full name you can write, then URL mean if you have your own blog, your own website, you can write it, or you can have any video channel, YouTube channel or Dailymotion channel, or if you don't have it, you can use Facebook, your Facebook URL. You can copy and paste here, and location you can write your city name, and in bio you can introduction what is you doing. You are student of MBA or you are studying in high school, you can write here and you put in save. And you can use background photo also, you can put it. This is the basic. You must make a profile complete if you want to use effectively. And second thing is to write tweets. As a Facebook status update, Facebook have a tweet option, as you can write 140 words to it, and you can add any photo in also. For example, welcome to new users. For example, you want to add any photo, and you can click and take photo new if you want your photo or any party photo, or choose existing from your uh, and you can select any photo from your, and you can use it, and you can retweet. It's gone retweeted. So first thing, you can make a tweets regularly at daily base, so people will see you active person and they will follow you. Second, there are daily base lot of tweets coming, a lot of trends mean the topic which is most popular in that day, that called trend. And trend always use hashtag hash button on your on which I can see, and you can write it. And people, for example, this is the hashtag Indians funding ISI is going trend in Pakistan, and this is a team Afridi also is about cricket. So they are daily base 10 to 20 trends running on. So you should write your tweets by using that trend, and you can, when you write, you can from drop down menu there will appear a lot of other trends also. You can daily base, and you can select that and you can use that one. And second choice is you must retweet other people's tweets. For example, this tweet, and you can retweet it, share it. There's a three button at bottom. One is you can want to answer, somebody is posting some you are not agree with them, you want to give your answer, you can write your answer, and you can give answer. And second is retweet. You want to share, if you like that one, that tweet, you can retweet it if it is go to other people's wall. Third is if you want just show that people his you have seen his tweet and you like it, you can click his favorite button, which is like equal to Facebook like. So there's a three button you can perform on any tweet. Number one, you can comment on it, give your comment. Second, retweet. Third, like it. So you use the three on daily basis. So people which you share, you like, you give comment, he will follow you, and he will must read your comments, retweets, and will when you post something, he will retweet and like and give you comments in your tweets. So this is the basics. Number one, make a profile complete, original. Second, make a daily based tweets. Third, take part on daily based trends. And number four, you can in your tweets, you if you are interested, or your hobbies for, or you like something for music and some on YouTube, or you read any article on any particular website, blog, you can copy their link and post here, so you can share it with people. So it's not just tweets, you can share your likes, your or some interesting or some educational link to other people, so you can share it on here, so people uh, will get benefit from it. I hope this lesson will help you to increase your follower and effective use of Twitter. Thank you very much.